Hey everyone, this is EZsite, a vibe coding tool where you can turn your ideas into business ready opportunities in minutes. Now, there is a lot to unpack in EZsite, so we're gonna do multiple videos, and this is gonna be one of the many, where we focus on the AI generation of your websites. There are many templates, there are many other built in tools, as well as many tiers you can do. Now, if you have yet to, sign up to EZsite, simply follow our promo codes down below for discounts on all these bundles available and use our referral link to sign up. Now with that, let's get started with the step-by-step video. So this is EZsite's AI app factory. Essentially, all you have to do is type a prompt, type your idea, and the AI in EZsite will build the website all by itself. Now, the cool thing about this is you can either build it as a React website or a Vue website. Now, for the developers there, you know what that means. You can pick a model, either GPT, Claude, or Gemini. For now, let's go with the default Claude 4.5. You can set it to public or private. You can connect MCP tools. You can make it search for images, web search to Google. You can even connect your Figma or connect your GitHub or a file folder to get reference on the app or website you want to make. Additional thing is you can add assets, videos, or others. You can also add a custom domain to your website. So if you have your own domain, you can add that, and that's the website that the EZsite app is gonna assign. Now, there are a lot of other things. You can add payments, you can add other integrations, but that will be when you have your fully working app. The cool thing about this is the prompt builder. That you can choose the model as well, but the prompt builder allows you to just type in a simple idea and use that for the prompt in building the website. So let's say I want to create an AI agency website for my AI business. AI and software business. Let's try that. And you can see in real time, it's gonna form the prompt so that you can use it to create the website. Now you're gonna give it a moment. I'm gonna skip to when it's finished to save time. Okay, it's done generating, but for now, it's asking us a few questions to really personalize the prompt, keep it, the best output as possible. Now I'm gonna answer these questions offline just to save time, but really just look at the questions, answer them as you wish, and the prompt will be as suited to your specifications as needed. So you really only need the prompt once. You won't have to keep editing as you go along with the web. Okay, now we're back, and if you look at it, our AI optimized prompt is ready. So all you really need to do is you can see here, copy code, copy successful, and go back to the home page with the AI App Factory, and you just have to paste that prompt here. Now, there are other things you could do. You can upload a screenshot or a Figma mockup, or you can clone a website with a link to create your own AI app. But for now, let's use the optimized prompt that the EZsite gave us with the default settings as well. You can even record your voice for the prompt. But after all of this, you can then generate your website. And as you can see here in real time, it's going to start working, creating the code of your websites with you as a project admin and with the option of integrating a database, authentication, and all of that. Really, it's going to save you so much time, so many days, and less team members to build the app that will best benefit your business. Now, it's going to take a while for it to fully optimize and create the website. So I'm going to again pause the video and see how it will generate the idea. Now, if you're wondering, I'm making it create an AI agency website for an AI agency business. So I'll be back with that. And we're back. And as you can see, in real time, this took about, let's say, 5 or maybe 6 minutes. And it has the completed website ready in preview. And if you're a developer yourself, you can access the code right here, check out all the file folders, see how it coded it. And for your reference, this is all in React. So with those familiar with that, and with the TypeScript language, you'll be able to edit it to your own specifications as needed. For those without coding experience, you don't need it at all. As you can see, it created a clean, let me keep the sidebar, a clean, professional, and modern design specified by our prompt and ready for launch and application for businesses. Now, what I wanted was an AI agency platform called Automation Wizard, and it created for us the basic homepage. If you click services, it created a basic services page that you can specify in your prompts. And as needed, you can even enable a database. Something like this. I don't think I'll need it for now. You can check no or yes. I'll check no since it's just a mock up for now. But as you can see, it has clean animations, clean design, very pleasing to the eye, and easily implementable for your business. So, for any type of services business, you can definitely make something like this. So you can see our process, even listing your services, and you can even schedule consultations in the contact page. You can send us a message. Now, obviously, you can connect this to send it to your email, send it to whatever database you have, put it in a sheet. If you enable the database, you can just click here, and you can toggle when you're done. Now, to look at the other settings that you can add to this website, let's go back to the home page with a success stories. You can click settings, and you can change other factors of the website. So if you go in config, you can change the project name. You can create, excuse me, a project token that you can send to others. You can even create custom prompt rules for specific prompts and instructions you want throughout the EZsite. Oops. You can add assets, images, or videos that you want incorporated into your websites. You can have your own custom domain. You can enable a chatbot, like a live chat within your website as needed. You can have to configure it, but the good thing about this, you could just prompt EZsite to configure it for you. You can have webhooks if you have other integrations. If you want SEO settings, it has its own optimized way to really make your website shine in search engines and social media. Really, all you have to do is set it up here, and EZsite is optimized to make sure that your website will be seen by the general populace. Sending emails, as you can see in the contact form, this is where you can as- assign an email for it to send to. For now, I'll turn that off. You can do a database. You can also integrate Stripe payment. Let's say your website is a service that requires people to pay or subscribe before using. So you can integrate Stripe or PayPal or another type of recurring payment. So one time or subscriptions up to you. You can do other third-party integrations such as Google, Facebook. For developers, there's 3JS, which is 3D design and 3D mapping in your website. You can integrate with GitHub, other MCP tools. You can create your own edge functions to call third-party tools, and you can adjust model settings as you wish. So really, there is really much strength in using EasySite to speed up the processes and really ship your ideas faster. Now, if ever you want changes to be made, you can just simply type in a prompt, enter an image to make changes as you wish. So let's say you're not satisfied with the color palette of your website. So all you have to do is type something like, can you change the color palette to brighter yet still modern tones? And it's going to analyze your prompt, analyze what is already in the website, analyze the file folders, and create the best possible output from your thing. You can even select files to edit. You can select files to exclude. This is more of a developer standpoint. You can check the code, look at the files. For the more common user, you can ignore this and ask it to change features as usual. And from there, let me pause until it comes. Okay, that took a while, but as you can see, it created a lighter design version of the website because we specified it to. Now, it really is just that easy to make edits to your files And if you're not satisfied with the designs, as you can see, there's still some dark spots here. We can even just keep editing some more. We can refine the prompt so that it edits it much better. We can also select files where we want the edits to be placed. We can select files to exclude from the edit. And if you want to edit the website content in real time, you can select one of these and ask it to edit that. So you can edit a specific section from here. You can change the margin, you can change factors out of all the elements of your website really easily from here. Okay, we can discard these changes. So that's from the visual element. If you want to select an element, just do that. It will specify it here. I'm going to select another element, like this button, and then you can add an instruction later. But for now, let's say we're satisfied and you want to publish. So all you have to do is select your publishing platform. Let's say you have subscriptions here, you have a website or domain ready or over there. You can click publish now. You just try with EZsite already, as it comes with its own publishing, depending on the package you bought. And here, we can see that the public project has been deployed successfully. And it's now live at this link. So all you need to do, copy the link, and let's see. Let's check this new automation wizard. And the project itself is live. All the features work as usual, as specified. And you can deploy, you can advertise your service to anyone. And really, that is the magic of EZsite. Now, depending on your plan, you can make as many applications and services as you want, all with the power of AI, really making websites easy. Now, if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to sign up using our affiliate link. Use our promo code as well to get cheaper deals when you sign up. And if you enjoyed the video, check out the others. Thank you. Goodbye.